Day 61. Joy, the light timeline. Command. Today I jump into the timeline of joy. This is my reality now. Mini transmission. Joy is not pleasure or avoidance of pain. Joy is the current of life flowing freely through you. It is what happens when you stop resisting your essence. In joy, you become magnetic to miracles. Activation. Smile, even if you don't feel like it. Place hands on solar plexus. Say, joy is my frequency. I do not chase it. I am it. Optional practice. Do one joyful thing today with full presence. Let it be enough. Anchor phrase. I collapse all other options. I live in the timeline of joy.